Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken in hot water without using cooking oil. I have pre-seasoned my chicken with all-purpose and garlic herb along with salt and this one here, black pepper. These are the three seasoning that I use to cook, prepare my chicken. It's pre-done, it's right here. This is it right here. Yeah. So I'm showing you the pre-done work. So I'm going to put it in the pot and allow it to work itself. This is the pot here, right there. See the water boiling. So I'm going to put it in this pot without any oil and watch it cook down. So this is the first step. I'm going to come back to you as soon as I reach the other step. All right, so I'm going to watch this now cook. It's right there in the pot here. So I'm going to cover it and watch it cook. All right, so walk with me as I journey through this process. You notice I didn't put any oil in there, any at all. You might be wondering, how come she don't put any oil into the pot? How is it going to cook? But let's see.